favorite thing that I do about, oh, you know what? I don't have any lip gloss on. Let me go put lip gloss on. Hey guys, I wanted to do a video of kind of my least favorite chores that I do. They're just chores I always kind of put off, and I'm like, I'll get to it. And you know, some of them I really just like don't like doing, but when they're done, I feel so great that they're done, and you know, I feel so satisfied that they're done. They're just not my favorite things to do, but they're things that I need to do almost on a daily basis or weekly basis. So let's get into kind of my least favorite chores to do. Alright guys, so the first chore that is kind of my least favorite chore that I always just kind of put off on the back burner is the dishes, which is terrible, but especially at night after cleaning up for dinner, like after I clean up for dinner, that is the most time I struggle with my dishes, is because I'm just tired and I ate a good meal and I'm ready to get in the shower and get into bed and relax with Alex. So I always struggle with my nighttime dishes, and sometimes just dishes in general. But I really struggle with putting my dishes away. I don't know if it's just like an out of sight, out of mind thing for me. When they're in the dishwasher, I'm like, oh, they're clean, I'll get them put away when I get there. So that is one of the chores that it's not my favorite thing to do. It's kind of tedious. It's like, well, they're already clean and they're about to go back in there. So, you know, dishes, putting dishes away, dishes in general, especially in the evening, are kind of my least favorite thing to do. My least favorite thing is laundry. I don't mind folding some laundry. When I have to fold my sheets and my comforter, I will put that back on the back burner for at least a good week, and then they'll be all wrinkly and all that. Just because it's a lot of work to fold a sheet and a queen size well, actually the comforters that we have are king size, but it's just like a lot of work to do it, especially by yourself. So, you know, I can always have Alex help me, but you know, this is what I do. So I just, you know, it's just not my favorite. And I love folding towels or just folding a few things, but like putting my laundry away, getting it hung up, it's just kind of my least favorite thing to do. It's kind of like another one of those like tedious things, like, oh, it's already clean, it feels done, and even though it's really not done. And I think in my mind I'm like, oh, I'm just gonna pull down my closet here in a few days anyway. So I always really struggle with getting my laundry put away. Sometimes I struggle with getting it folded. I try to do it daily and try to put it away in the mornings, but it just doesn't always happen, and it's just something that I'm just like, I'll get through it. Alright guys, so my next least favorite chore is changing the comforter on my bed. It's just, in the clip it looks way easier. I really lucked out this day and got it done pretty quickly. But it's just kind of one of my least favorite things to do, just shaking it out and getting all the wrinkles out because I'm OCD about that. It's just one of those things that I just don't really enjoy doing that much, but I love having clean sheets and a clean comforter and a clean bed to get into at night. It is the most wonderful thing in the world to have. But changing my comforter is kind of one of my least favorite chores that I have to do every 2 weeks. It's like one of those things where I'm like, man, it's comforter changing week. Alright guys, so the very last chore that I don't like doing, and I really hate doing this. This is like, this should have been like my #1 least favorite chore. I saved the best for last, I guess, is cleaning my shower and bathtub. I hate doing that. I don't know why. I don't know if I just make it harder. I hate like being in there and I'm spraying it and I'm coughing, and even though I'm just using my soap and oil solution, it's just like, it's just a chore that I really dislike doing. Sometimes I will clean my shower when I'm in the shower. I will just take my cleaner that I use, my soap and water and oil solution, and just spray it in there and clean while I'm showering. But sometimes I don't. But the one thing that I really hate doing is cleaning the bathtub. I bleach my tub usually because it just looks dingy by the end of the week, so I usually bleach my tub almost every week, or at least every 2 weeks. So I just use Ajax, and I usually have like a scrubber brush, but that thing is like trash, so I was using a washcloth today. But I just really hate bleaching my tub, just cleaning my tub. It's just, I have to like lean over it, it hurts my knees and all these things. I'm like, oh wow, boohoo me, but it really is like a pain in the butt, and I just don't really like it. It's just not my favorite thing to do, so. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed my video of my least favorite chores. Comment down below and let me know what your least favorite chores are, or if you have any tips for me on my least favorite chores. I would love to know anything. And be sure to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. And as always, live life in full bloom, and I will see you guys later. Bye!